for just for the lot. And the houses in that area sometimes cost like 300 million. I see they post like 170 million peso house, 300 million peso house. I'm thinking, who's gonna buy this house?
I mean, even like the condo near the Ayala area, that must be really expensive.
Before it was relatively, it was still expensive before. 4 million, 5 million, that's already a house. It's gonna disappear.
It's been the sort of a hand down by the father or grandfather, and these people are trying to scratch a living, not realizing, probably they realize how much they can get with the sell the land, because the house is just they're ready to be pulled down.
Well, the thing is, this here used to be houses. These here used to be houses. Okay? That spot where those people are waiting, that used to be a small chapel.
Okay.
The chapel was the last one to be demolished. So, they demolished everyone's house, but this chapel still.
They're building something.
No, this is a condo.
Condo.
It's a what do you call this? It's a multi-story condo and multi-unit. So you've got like, I don't know how much, because the developer of that condo used to work for a developer as well. And he said, "Oh, there's a lot of money here. Why let the developer have all the business? You know the people, for those people who could give you that. Even Plantation Bay." Plantation Bay, according to our landlady, who's close to not close to the owner, but the architect of Plantation Bay, they know him.
Yeah.
Because he used to live with them as a family. He's not a blood relative, but now becomes like family, like, because he used to just do nothing, and then his family picked him up, and then he hustled and became an architect, but he was the one who designed Plantation Bay. Yeah. So according to our landlady, Plantation Bay, the funds for the Plantation Bay, actually he got it from his old bank, because he used to work for a bank, not here, a very big bank.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe in Europe or US. But to get the money to fund the resort, he loaned the money there, and since he used to work there, he probably got
how to raise the money. That's it.
He could have just said like, "Oh, we can do this and that, and then you'll get your money back by this." So yeah, I think that's one of the business wherein your network matters. Finance.
Yeah, and that's the hardest bit, to raise the capital,
Yeah, because if you have money, people will always be like, "Oh,
Yeah.
I have this, I have that, I have this opportunity." I sometimes see like in the TV, a lot of I don't know how they get that list, but they have a list of high net worth individuals. So probably like $1 million, like that, $2 million, and then they call them. That's how they do it in the US. Because those funds, investment funds, they're not using their own money.
Oh no. It's your money, my money.
I don't know how accurate it is, but according to the guy, he said, like different truths in life that will change how you see the world. Number 3 was, money is not real. So for a while now, like which is the theory is like money used to be pegged in the gold, right? Gold reserves. That's not the case anymore for a long time. And then he said, the moment the people takes out 5% of their savings, let's say everyone, and then takes out the money at the same time, and the amount gets 5% to the total savings, the whole thing will collapse because they're over leveraged.
It's the saying that okay, the so-called millionaire or billionaire, if you ask them to raise, to lend you 50 million, so they will say, oh, I don't have the money. All my money is tied up in a deal or in the property, in stock and shares. But to have liquid cash, no.
After that, we used to throw it. I'll show you, because that's where people throw it. So okay, let's just put it here so that garbage people will get it.
So now why it's clean now?
Because there's an owner now. You don't want your house to be full of garbage. It was empty lot before, so nobody complained. Here,
Yeah, that area.
the area, look, but there's already a building.
Oh, there's another condo.
Not condo, it's like
A house?
retail something.
A residences, something like that.
No, commercial space.
Commercial.
Here, these used to be little small houses, and now they were able to
They're
successfully.
removed.
Yeah, they moved.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. So they're about to
Big piece of land.
they're to build another building here, houses, something like
Maybe
that.
not building, maybe some what called this?
Yeah.
Maybe a commercial space like that. Little McDonald's.
Yeah. Maybe.
In UK, there are some of the big building. The first 2 floors is for commercial, and the remaining floors are just for residents.
Yeah, it's rare to have that.
Yeah.
It's not common to have that.
What are you going here?
LBC.
Iba LBC there?
Oh.
I thought it was office.
Your post office, that's the very important document.
Okay.
You know, it gets lost, you cannot
Yeah.
blame anyone. Okay, see that steps? That's LBC. You go there.
Okay.
Now, so I'll park the car.
You'll go with us?
Yeah, but I'll park the car
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Come on, surely we have to go in.
You have to be
Into the
careful, go
queue.
down.
There's no queue.
Okay.
Is it this one?
Yeah, that one. LBC.
Do you have a contact number, sir, for the receiver?
Sorry?
Contact number, sir, for your
Yeah.
receiver.
Is that the attorney?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought you were gonna go down. You said, oh, there's no mom said, oh, we cannot send it.
Yeah, but we tried to fix it. Find the number of the attorney.
No, then there's another query. City.
Yeah, the city.
I live in Reigate. I think they're doing a search on the computer. Say, oh, it doesn't know there. And
I think the in charge there does not understand your rating there. Your
So
look, I've not even written joint writing. I just wrote in capital. If she can't read that, it's not my fault.
You should have told me sa mama sa
Ingon bitaw ko nimo pagtawag.
Yeah, I thought you guys were gonna go down.
No.
Eh, mama ka na kung ano. You cannot send that.
I told you we got a problem inside. It is because of the contact number of the attorney, and they are not accepting our mail because of that reason. And then Labal tried to search on his phone, then he found it, the contact number. And then the next problem is the in charge cannot be found the address that has given here. Keep asking, and then
Honey, you should have called me. I could have.
I thought you were going down.
No, because you told me your message was, oh, we cannot send because of the number. So I thought you were just preparing it. I was waiting for you to go down. I already went there. You told me, oh, you cannot send it because they require the phone number. So, oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I thought you said. I was not aware you were trying to send it still.
Yeah, and then that was so funny when the woman says, "Oh, you have to pay 206, 26. What? No, not me. You must pay 260. No, she's not mentioning 2,000. She said you must charge 264. So I thought that was 264. So
Yeah.
I give them a 300, and then the woman said, no, 2,664. So, oh my God. And Lapal give, he said, no, he gave 1,000 to the in charge, and then it's then the woman said, oh, it's 2,000, 3,000. Lapal does not understand.
Honey, you should have called me.
I already called you that.
Yeah, you did not tell me na, oh, we need help. You said you cannot send it. You cannot send the...
I thought you were coming because you said, okay, I will come.
No, I was coming. I thought, oh, I'm gonna come with the car. I thought you were gonna go down.
No, we're not understand each other.
Oh, you said that. She said, oh, we cannot send the mail because there's no phone number. So
Yeah.
It's the first time
And then Labal got so disappointed with that woman. They kept asking. And after that was the manager came here and gave a help, you know. And then that's all done. After that, Labal does not understand how much money he has, you know. It's not
That's not possible.
like me as well. I was thinking, oh, it's 264 only, you know.
Yeah.
And then the woman says, oh, that is 2,000. She's not mentioning about 2,000. It's just 264, right?
murag katong sa puzzle ba piso.
Yeah.
I thought they were in the fish market. They were saying how much is the fish? Yeah, 1 peso. What?
Yeah.
1 peso?
1 peso.
1 peso. Yung mama ko, I was looking at mama siya. Oh, you can buy 1 peso. And then
when you
it
can
turns
see,
out
oh, it's very cheap.
100 peso.
Oh.
Who's gonna buy small fish? Oh, it's okay, small fish. 1 peso we can buy.
You can buy the whole lot.
Then, yeah, because that was the first time we've been there, you know, and we don't know what is the
The language was
no,
jargon.
the way how they give the price, you know.
They shortcut it. Instead of 100, they say 1 peso.
So, for example,
3,232.
oh my God, we must learn about it because we are so ignorant about 264. So we mean, I gave them a 300 because Laval tried to give 100 pesos and the guy, the woman, like, that was so funny.
You should make a video of that.
Yeah, but I forgot make a video. It's funny.
Remember-
Maybe the people watching our video maybe that two people they are stupid.
Yeah. So
Oh my god.
remember, if we manage to see Anne and she start talking and giving us the rubbish, try to record it
Okay.
without
Don't worry.
annoying.
Yeah.
But once you do that, you also figure out, oh, this one is so hard, I need to go back. It's always about, you know, perspective. You always miss what you don't have.
That's why I find cooking is a hobby
For you.
at the end of the day. Yeah.
Yeah.
After you've been working for so long,
Yeah.
you come home and don't want to touch any
Computer.
computers. You just want to do something creative.
That's why, like, you know, gardening. What else? We also have cooking, painting, wood crafts. You know, like
Yeah,
woodworking.
carving and all that.
Woodworking, yeah,
Yeah.
gets you in the. Just wanna do with your hand and not think. Gosh.
You need gas. You need gas. You don't have gas.
Oh, I lost my. I've even lost my. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's dirty now. Throw it away. You get one here.
No, it's not dirty yet.
Oh, honey.
Don't make me relax.
See? It's so dirty because
Where?
some it's there. It's dirty there.
Oh,
It's up to you. You're really old. Come on, let's go. No, it's closed. Lunch. So it's
Lunch?
closed. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So nobody here, honey. Yes, there. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Mr. Lee. Nasa ikuan hatag na letter for Miss Anne.
Yeah, Miss Anne.
Ha?
Ma'am, you have already the nakwit. Ito lang, ma'am. I
Is
have
it?
already the...
What?
That is Miss Anne.
Wala lang, ma'am. Ay,
Oh, alita diri. Come here, honey. So that's it, honey.
This is the house, and this is what you have paid for the 30,000 na fence. This is what we use for the approval of the UBO for the fence and the rectification in your back. That's why you were released by the occupancy permit of because of this one. And this is the main house.
Dili ko makaagi ay. Hindi ko na di pwede diha.
Sige, sulod na lang. Wala man sa tuya, piyawi dire nga glass. Okay, this is our lunchtime, mga good sir. Supposedly, dili pa man
Oh, that's
maintain.
very chaotic.
Yeah, okay.
Here.
Yeah.
So,
And this is the fence and the service area plan. This is what you have paid for 30,000 of your contractor. This is what your contractor submitted to us that we submit to the OBO, building officials in Cebu, so that your occupancy will be released.
Okay.
You know something?
Why?
I'm very, very disappointed
Why?
with the work that the contractor did.
Contractor of the MLD or contractor of your fence?
Oman.
I don't know if that's right. Okay, it's been a long time also.
Arman?
Why?
Yeah.
Oh, Arman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You call up his attention, ma'am. He is not related to MLD man. You just recommend him. You call up his attention
But-
kung unsa iya problema. Okay, he is not related to MLD. He's just an accredited to us.
Yeah,
You,
yeah, yeah.
you know why we need the
The
blueprint
plan-
now?
Yeah, why?
To undo all the work that Oman has done. It's so bad.
So bad.
Why?
You know, I've got a photograph of the bad thing he has done. Well, for example, you know, the PVC on the roof, the area where there's no PVC. So when it's rain, the water goes straight through. There's no PVC. And the gutter, supposed to go around the house, it's not one piece, two pieces of gutter. Like that, there's a big lot missing. Yeah? And thirdly, when it starts raining, where the PVC join the
Is that
Main
what you
house.
refer? Is the extension that he done? It's not the main house.
Not the main
Yeah.
house.
Okay.
The house is
Yeah.
okay.
Have you contact him already? After 2 months of the construction, that the rain, that the mess out was already like that, or is that the effect of the?
Yeah.
The problem.
I did it. I
Yeah.
contacting him many times. That
does that
he
with
said,
money.
I don't have enough money anymore. I lost the money anymore. So you have to.
The thing Mango now why he's a bit upset is when he was recommended, we trusted that he's gonna do
Yeah.
good work. Do you know? Have your mom told you what he did to us?
I don't
No.
know about it.
Okay, so one thing he did, like, we trusted Mango na, oh, we came here, oh, this is the guy you recommend, it's okay. He did so many things. Like example, one thing he did, okay, working on the house, 15 people working the house, and I was like, oh, very good.
Yeah.
People are working the house. The construction was gonna be done, and then what happened was when later on after months, we thought they were living. He was making the house as the bunkhouse. He had other projects in the same area, going there, bringing all the equipment, scratching the tiles. They go
That
inside the
damage,
master
a
bedroom.
lot
They
of damage.
cook rice in the master bedroom, burnt rice.
Sir, you have to reprimand na sa to ninyo siya.
Wala na, it's been months that we later
Yeah,
learned.
okay.
It's the neighbors.
You supposedly, if you notice that one also, you did not release anything to him. A breach of contract siya. Para at least you can find another
But yeah, but
one.
what I'll tell you is that's been like months after the work na.
Ah.
If
Oh,
the
yeah.
neighbor did not tell us na, oh, he did this. Like example, they were sleeping. We bought the aircon. If the neighbor told us, you know,
So you did
Yeah,
not you did not stay there pa there when the construction was
yeah,
done already.
because it wasn't
Only the one
eh,
person working there, and
Only
then
one person.
Yeah. And
So many-
some
and then-
workers are working
I
another
don't know
house.
about that one, ma'am. Kaya when I endorse him, I trust him also.
Yeah.
We thought Mango na when you endorsed him, you had like a
He's
lot
very
of good
nice,
experience
yeah.
from him.
Yeah, we have a lot of good experience from other subdivision in North Verdana,
Oh, pero what
Talibates. I just
There
don't
are a lot
know
of
about it.
residences there that
I just don't
being,
know about
being
it.
upset or
And then
being
you know
not
like
happy,
he,
unhappy
he,
there.
he took cabinet work, and then you know what he did? He said, "Oh, pay 70K." Okay, 70K. And then later on the following, "Oh, mom, I'm sorry. The down payment that you gave
No,
me."
I was
It was
I was
the
giving him,
contractor went out, so I'm out of money now. I can only build this.
I give him 90,000 for the cabinet for an advance, and then
Yeah, what is koan, ma'am? When you reprimand him about that one, you did not complain it to the barangay so that he will be caught also.
Well, we don't think about it about complaining. Yeah, especially Mr. Lee is not here.
This is the reason why
Yeah.
we're coming here, because this is the time that he's settling
Ah,
down
yeah.
here.
Yeah,
So
okay.
he has
I just
opportunity.
saw him right now.
He has opportunity to air out his grievances
Okay,
about
actually, grabe, actually, when that's why you're back also. Yeah, I was the one follow-upping him all the drawings, but because he was the one who handled the drawing.
Yeah.
He did it. So you know what? I paid I asked money from him that you pay the one who will draw because the electricity and the occupancy is pending already. Oh, I was the one go after him to have this drawing, sir, in order for your occupancy to be done.
Yeah.
Because you're suffering already for your vehicle.
Yeah, and
Ma'am,
now-
how many times go back and forth
And then
here?
we
We
get
cannot
mad.
push through the occupancy permit because of this drawing.
Yeah.
So I told him, if you will not push that one, I will not let you go inside the Guada Plains already.
He's
Oh,
no
oh,
longer
He's not. Yeah, he's
longer
not.
welcome there. A lot of
Yeah.
people complaining.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
At least better
really
yet,
do.
at least.
Yeah,
Yeah.
complaining.
Yeah, you
And
yeah. I told man said Mr. Tumulak about it na. Oh, okay. I heard man about yours. Oh, I told Mr. Tumulak na if he will get inside there, I don't have any recommendation already.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah,
you can have him out. Okay, I don't have any recommendation.
Yeah,
yeah.
Even in Guada Tres and Guada Tres, the new one, and the Guada Annex, we will never recommend. We out him already for the list of the koan. So if you want to have na, we will not be recommending now. We will just let our contractor finish the project before you can hire for our contractor who build the house, so that it will be okay. That our contractor who build the house will be the one to make your rectifications already. But the project should be done first before you can have hire our contractor, so that it will be okay.
Yeah, the biggest sin he has done, the roof.
Yeah, the roof.
It's the,
Yeah, the roof.
the roof like that. It should be sloping for the water.
But the
to run.
elevation is not good.
And it was just flat like that.
Yeah.
When it
was
rains,
just
the
the
water
same with
stays.
mine that he do
Yeah.
also in my garage.
Yeah.
That's the problem
So,
with
meaning you
mine also.
experience
Yeah,
it as
I've experienced also. That's why. But no, after yours, ma'am, I get him for me. Yeah, I was never informed that it was like that in yours. So when I did my house, after I think it was simultaneous from you, I had a problem with my con because I used the polycarbonate. Then the
yeah.
polycarbonate should be slatted.
Yeah.
So that the water will go
Yeah.
on. Because if it will not be slatted, the water will zip into any
Yeah,
of the edges that is
It will not
being
take
sealant.
longer. Yeah.
Yeah. The water fill in there, so I have to back it off everything just
Oh,
to
yeah.
change.
At
That's
Changing,
our
yeah.
experience
At
as
least you
well.
have an idea of why they're very frustrated.
Yeah. I told him no, so I hire immediately after 6 months. I expense my polycarbonate. The polycarbonate is 3,800. Imagine that one.
Yeah.
Then I bought around 18 pieces for my garage and the line here. So after 6 months, it was nothing because I changed my polycarbonate because I thought it was the characteristic of the polycarbonate. No, but when I hire the one that will do the roofing, he told me the elevation is not good. That's why the water will seep in on the
Yeah.
the
That's
one
what
that you
happened
have
us
to
there.
like
We are the same. That problem.
You know, like we asked for, we asked for the tank to be put there. You know what he did? There's a tank. He bought a very cheap pump.
Very cheap
To,
pump.
how many
I
weeks
give
did
him
this?
79,000
79,000 for the pump, for
Yeah.
everything.
for the farm.
The pump, we had to go to the neighbor, we had to buy another 3,000, and we had to install it ourselves. We
The pump
pay
itself.
the pump because the
I bought
pump.
another pump machine because the pump machine that has been bought is not good. It's good enough to
Not
carry
good.
the water.
It was not working anymore after a few. Well,
Yeah, I always got a problem. And I call Arman, then he said, "Oh no, I already I don't have problem about it."
At least he was already barred from getting inside the subdivision. That's good enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have a big problem also with mine.
Oh, we have the
Anyway,
same
we will never recommend him for
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, me also. I never.
Oh, by the
had
way,
relation.
how about our title?
The title. Ma'am, I spoke to Ma'am Honey about your title. We are waiting for your annulment.
Annulment.
Yeah. We cannot proceed with the papers, Sir Mr. Lee, because of the annulment of Madam. Kay the papers manggod is under your name,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But we cannot change it. We are waiting for your annulment. How
One-way
is your
sanction,
annulment?
Okay.
Yeah, so that we can proceed because both we cannot do the deed of sale because the deed of sale has a prescription time. So we can do the deed of sale if ever your annulment will be done.
Yeah.
Because we cannot do the if we are just given 10 days of the deed of sale to be processed with the title itself.
Okay.
So we cannot process the deed of sale going to the title if we don't have the annulment papers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't. Actually, the GM already asked me, Miss Ann, can we proceed with the kuan? Can you call them? Kung Miss Han, I think the new husband of Madam is a foreigner, so we cannot change the name also. We cannot use the name. But I guess we have to wait. The instruction from us when they bought the property is to wait for the annulment.
But that's not gonna be. Do you foresee any issue, or that's not gonna be a problem?
It will, in any case, in any rate, the title will be affected only if you will sell the house.
Okay.
You cannot sell the house
Yeah,
because
we cannot.
there's still no title at all.
Yeah.
So, but if you just not touch the selling of the property, or you cannot, or kuan, it's just okay. It's just okay. But I will just ask Ma'am Honey because the implication is the real property tax. Have you heard that one?
Yeah.
The RPT. I will ask Miss Honey how we will manage the RPT. If we will just pay even if without the title, you can pay it on the name of MLD itself. We will proceed to that so that there will be no penalties anymore. We can proceed on the payment of the real property under MLD. Anyway, when it will be transferred to your name, it will be carried over man the real property tax.
So as of
So
now,
who's paying the real property tax?
I don't know if we updated it already because there was no yet title. The real property tax will be updated upon the transfer of the title man. So I will ask na lang, Ms. Honey, how far is your annulment? You can provide it to us.
Would it be possible if you could double check like what are the taxes and the things that we need to take care of ourselves
Yeah.
because we don't know Magut, and then
Yeah.
message us back within this week because
Ma'am, can you write me the number? Kay wala na ko yung number ni ma'am. So akong gina-textan si Maymay Hakalan.
what's that?
Mia
Oh,
Hakalan.
Mia.
Your neighbor?
yeah, Mia.
Yeah. Can you give me the number of madam para
My
I will
number.
update you?
Just give your number.
Oh yeah, your number na lang para I will communicate
Yes
with
po,
you.
my number and also
Oo.
my number.
I
and
will
your-
communicate with you. I will update all the taxes that is
Oh, yeah.
due for you
Yeah,
already.
because what
So
we-
that there will be no penalties on the time that
Yeah,
you will go
yeah.
to transfer your title. Okay? So
That's
even
good.
just the name of the
Number,
MLD
put the
lang
number.
sa.
Yeah, I'll put the name live.
At least you come here.
No,
We see each
it's
other.
a long time, you know.
And
You
then
was not able to come to the
No,
Philippines for the
it's
pandemic.
out wait
yeah.
until the pandemic.
sakit ka ma'am?
Ha?
Sakit ka?
Wala.
Well,
Nga naman, iniwang ko. Di, nag-physically fit jud ko kay grabe akong asthma pag pandemic.
Okay.
Makandidato ta sa COVID. Okay. I'll contact you, ma'am. Give me until Friday to update everything.
Okay.
Also, no, we give the email because he
Yeah.
checks email. You have email, right?
Yeah,
Oh, you
yeah.
can give your
Give the
MLD.
email. Make sure like number one ang email.
Yeah, sige.
Traditional mo siya once ka ng email communication ba.
Yeah, sige.
So let's
Email communications.
like
on
also
that.
like at least like mag-text and then email the details there as well. Also include them.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sige.
That's
sige.
great.
Yeah. Email. I'll email the amount, then where to
When.
pay.
When.
At least you can update the real property tax, even if it is not your name.
Okay, look.
At least
All lowercase.
lowercase. Okay.
Yeah. LLE.
Lowercase.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige. I'll update you by Friday on that.
Sige,
Okay?
sige.
Okay.
Just shouting match.
Clyde was getting mad that time. And now we very calm. Oh my God. So your letter is
Your love letter to Miss
your letter.
Oh, it's waste of my time.
Yeah.
I spend so much time with.
You're writing your letter very long.
I'm pretty sure she's aware now, you know.
maybe.
why. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
We start with this one. Pal.
Good enough.
Huh?
Good enough.
And then you want. You have lobster ball? This one? You want some lobster ball here?
Couple of stuff. You might as well have a fish bowl or something like that. Fish bowl.
Fish bowl.
Wala na yun. Si, may fish ball no? Ha? Kan parihan na sila. Kaya ganun lang. Ano lang sa? Ha?
Wala na siya naman sakit.
Sorry?
Wala sa sakit.
Basta lang sa clean. And then, pwede mo ito nga spicy. Hindi spicy no?
Ano sa spicy?
Ah. Okay. Yan. Ha? Masa gitu na ikuan sa tunga ba nino? Sana niya?
Mana? Sako na? Okay.
Ano may rice?
Rice food.
Isa ka rice.
I need rice. Yeah.
Yeah, joking.
280?
280.
No, that's not the. That's not
That's not the real
per
lobster.
kilo. Per gram. That's probably per gram.
Yeah. Also because cuttlefish when they come.
Huh?
Also cuttlefish.
You order a cup of fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let it boil, let it boil. It is real healthy water and vegetables.
You have to cook it.
You want?
You have to cook it.
I know.
Still fresh. How about this one? Pork pa ni siya, no?
May cook pa na.
Roll is nice.
Huh? This one is delicious. Orchid.
Wow. At kung walangan, ka-add ata.
This is how you do it though.
Going to take a picture.
You should eat.
Ambina, Gilis,
Linya.
Linya.
Lima linya, way hata ka man. Muna.
Ako, oy, kinsa ko.
Pwede na akong tiguang ako.
No, 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 no.